Welcome back to video number 5, where we're going to finish off our PyGame Zero alien attack. And you remember in the previous video that we created the ship moving left and right and the alien moving across the screen, and when we hit the alien it says hit or false if we missed it. What we're now going to do is add some other features. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go back to the GitHub page, and we're going to go into the images for the game 2, and we're going to download the PyPNG. And this is going to be what the alien changes into when it has been hit. Okay, so we're going to press save, close this down. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the move alien function, and obviously we added this line here which checks if the rocket, the missile and the alien have collided and touched each other. And now what we're going to do is add an if statement in, which is going to check if the collide has actually occurred. Now if the collides happen, if it hits it, then it's going to be a 1, and if it hasn't, then it's going to be 0. So if collide, and this collide holds the data about whether or not there's been an interaction between the missile and the alien. So I'm going to go if collide equals 0, then we're just going to currently for the moment print missed me. And what I'm actually going to do is remove that collide statement there, because we don't need it anymore, because we've got an action here. And then what we need is an elif collide, and this time if equals 1, which means it actually hit it, then we're going to put alien.image, and we're going to change it to the Py image. So what this now will do is fire the missile, hit the alien, change the alien to a Py. Oh, spelling mistake there, elid. Save that. Okay, here we go. So there's the miss me. Let's see if we can move this. Fire the missile, and I hit it just by a whisker, and it turned to a Raspberry Pi. Now obviously the rocket's disappeared, the alien's still there, so now what we want to do is think about, okay, what do we do? Perhaps we develop the game so that we get another missile and maybe a new alien appears. So that's what we're going to work on next.